Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the muscles of our hand. So there are around 20 muscles in our hand. That is thenar muscles, there is 3 thenar muscle, 3 hypothenar muscle, and then after one is palmaris brevis which just flexes the crease, alright. And then after there is abductor pollicis which just makes this movement, means reduct the thumb, alright. And then after there is 4 lumbricals and 8 interossei, in which 4 is dorsal interossei and 4 is palmar interossei. Alright, so in this way there is 20 muscles in our hand. So now let's talk about them one by one. So first of all, thenar. Alright, in thenar muscle, you need to remember just this abductor, flexor and opponents. Alright, so abductor and there is pollicis brevis. So pollicis, anywhere there is pollicis, that means it is applying to thumb. Alright, so abductor pollicis brevis and flexor pollicis brevis. There is two more tendons which supply this one. So just abductor pollicis brevis. There is brevis. By name you can also remind that there is brevis, so there must be longest one. So yes, there is longest one. And that abductor longus comes from the posterior compartment, alright, and which is in deep layer. So longus comes from the deep layer of extensor compartment, alright. And again there is flexor pollicis brevis. So again pollicis brevis. Once there is brevis, there might be longus. So there is a longus from the deep layer of anterior compartment of hide. Alright, so anterior compartment of our forearm. So these three are the muscles of the hand, and there is two more tendons which come, but you need to remember just these three muscles. Alright, what are they? Abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and opponens pollicis. Alright, so thenar muscle is for pollicis and hypothenar muscle is for digiti minimi. This is small little finger. Alright, so name is same, abductor, flexor and opponens. So abductor, flexor and opponents, again same thing. You just need to remember this. Here is not even the problem of remembering that brevis. Alright, here just abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi and opponents digiti minimi. So by remembering just adductor, flexor and opponents, you can easily write thenar and hypothenar muscle. Alright, and now there is flexor digiti minimi. There is also extensor digiti minimi in superficial layer of extensor compartment. So flexor digiti minimi just flex it and extensor digiti minimi extend it. Alright, so it is that counterpart which I want you all to know. If you want to know a detailed video of our forearm, there is one video, so you can watch that one also. That is muscles of our upper limb. So now two more muscles, that is adductor pollicis. So adductor pollicis just help us to abduct. Alright, so adduct means just closing, means decreasing the angle. And there is palmaris brevis, and palmaris brevis just to what? It just support the movement. Alright, so it just decrease the angle. And there was also palmaris longus which was here. Alright, and it was from superficial compartment of the superficial layer of the flexor compartment. So we have remembered that, which was for just this movement. Alright, that was from superficial layer of anterior compartment of our head. Sorry, forearm. Alright. Then after there is 4 lumbricals and 4 palmar interossei, means they are in palmar side, and 4 dorsal interossei which can be seen from the dorsal side. So in this way we have completed 20 muscles of our hand. Alright. Now let's talk about the nerve supply. So all the muscle in the thenar compartment is supplied by the median nerve. Alright. And then after there is lumbricals. So lateral, you do know that this is medial side and this is lateral side. So lateral 2 is supplied by the median nerve. So that is first and second lumbrical. So first and second lumbrical, then after thenar. Thenar, first and second lumbrical. And remaining all the nerves, all the muscles are supplied by the ulnar nerve. So in this way you have completed the nerve supply of our hand. So now in terms of ulnar nerve, there is superficial and deep layer. Almost all the remaining muscles are supplied by the deep layer of our deep layer branch of the ulnar nerve, except palmaris brevis. It is supplied by the superficial branch of ulnar nerve. Alright. So except palmaris brevis, all other muscles which are supplied by the ulnar nerve is supplied by the deep branch of ulnar nerve. So that's all from my side for the nerve supply and the muscles of our hand. I hope this video might be helpful for you. Thank you.